The Texas Tech University Jones AT&T Stadium and football training facility in Lubbock, Texas, recently underwent a remodel. This $200 million 5-acre project is the largest investment into the Red Raider football program to date. The renovation consists of a new 4-story building that encloses the south end zone of the stadium and connects by a sky bridge to the school's Sports Performance Center and the Womble Football Center that replaced the previous training facility. The 4-story end zone addition includes locker rooms, offices for coaches, a field-level club area that the Red Raiders will go through before games, as well as a complete finish-out of food services, stadium seats, and suites. As the needs and timeline for the project became clear, it was evident that a system of precast concrete rakers and slabs at the lower level was necessary to meet the scheduling goals. Precast concrete manufacturer, Heldenfels Enterprises Incorporated, provided 175 pieces of precast, including wall panels, flat slabs, precast rakers, and seating risers, which were all installed in a period of less than 3 weeks. The ability to quickly erect the precast concrete components made it possible to meet a very tight schedule that could not be broken, as the first home game of the next season was quickly approaching. A large part of the success of this stadium project was the use of materials like precast concrete that are hardy, reliable, and quick to construct. Thanks to these design choices, the renovation was concluded in time for the Red Raiders to begin their 2023 season in style.